get these all centered first, and then we'll get to working on the tubing.
See the Subaru guy comes back.
So all Kyle's doing right now is just centering the heims. So if you picture, this would be mounted to the car, the front side of the trailing arm here, and then you got the hubs here, which we're going to be running the tubes to right now. And that's our bender. We got to try that, figure that out, which is going to be fun. Shouldn't be too difficult. We'll see how it goes. All right.
Perfect.
So now we gotta make the brackets for here, and which is pretty much the same bracket as down here. Then we'll run tubes here. Then we'll probably box it in, and then make it all pretty light, but it's definitely coming together. Fucking excited already. Hell yeah. You think we should plate off the boxing too? Like put a plate? Because we'll have the arm that comes off here. Then we'll have an arm here to box it. We could put a plate here if we wanted to.
We're also going to run. Grasshoppers.
I know they're everywhere.
Dink. I had a little piece from this package to me.
Oh yeah, that's right, for the
Because we're going to do, it was going to go
I mean, we really don't have to do it.
I know. I don't think it's necessary. Now looking at it, once we get it, all the other ones done, and box it in, that's just gonna be solid. Well, we'll see. We'll see once it is. Worst case, we'll fucking put that piece on as a little more strength to it, but. Fuck yeah. The baby's not happy.
Sounds like it's bedtime. Oh, dude.
Oh,
we have
yeah.
plenty of room.
Plenty of rotary clearance. Plenty.
Dude, that was what I was worried about, but
Dude, that's not even a problem.
yeah.
We'll just remember to stick to the outside on the
Yes.
other upper ones, and we should be good.
Yeah.
Spin it to the back so you can see. Look at all that clearance. Nice. Very nice.
That's what I was worried about. Put it back on.
You gotta worry about it.
Yeah, more than enough for
Gotta love jigs.